the left towards the galleys. You may now use
Where are you going?
Just arrived in San Fran. We hired a car and it's so stressful trying to figure out where we're going. We just came straight out of the car rental onto a freeway. So yeah, wish us luck.
Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life?
So I always say that I don't understand people that find driving stressful, like driving's not stressful. I'm going to take those words back today, because renting a car at San Francisco and then having to drive out, that was stressful. That was pretty intense.
At rush hour.
Yeah, we've made it now though, I think. So we're just heading to the supermarket to buy our food and then on to Yosemite.
Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing.
So we arrived in Yosemite really late last night and it was so dark we couldn't really see like the surrounding area. We've woken up this morning and come for a drive and it's absolutely beautiful. Have a look.
Yeah, this is a lot more us than LA was, definitely. Out in the countryside, it's so nice here. It's beautiful. There's like a little stream runs next to our hostel. Our hostel's beautiful. It's like a little ski village or something. It's so cute. I think we're about an hour's drive or something out of Yosemite itself, but that's not really a problem. And we're driving into Mariposa today to check that out, because we drove through there in the dark last night, but it looks so cute as well. And oh, this whole place is so nice. So much better than LA.
So yeah, we're feeling really good and really excited. I just feel so much more refreshed and rejuvenated now that we're back in nature.
Ooh, you've got one life to live, don't let it go.
So just been to the Tourist Information Centre and got ourselves a little map so we can try and figure out where we're going and what we're doing. Unfortunately, Half Dome is closed because there's 10 foot of snow and they're currently snow ploughing to get rid of it all. But we can see all the rest of the park. I'm so excited.
You've got one life to live. She's singing. You've got one life to live. Don't let it go.
I could live here. I could live here.
It's so pretty. So we're just exploring Mariposa.
Which we decided is also a really nice name for a place.
For sure. Yeah, it's really cute. So adorable. It reminds us of Scotland on steroids. What happens when you think you come into somewhere warm and it turns out to be cold and snowing in the mountains? Fashion comes second.
You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now.
So it turns out that El Portal wasn't really anything other than just like a sleepy little town. But it was a really nice drive and Dom managed to get some really nice photos next to the river. The water here is a really beautiful colour. It's like a greeny blue colour. It's gorgeous. Anyway, back to the hostel now. And we're going to get some grub because we're both hungry. So we're up bright and early this morning on our way into Yosemite Park. We're thoroughly underdressed. We don't really have any warm clothes, but we're just going to make do. So if you see red noses all day, it's because we're cold.
Life to live, don't let it go. You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now, don't hold it in too long, 'cause you
So we've seen a lot of waterfalls over the past kind of 16 months or so. That is right up there with the best. That is an amazing waterfall.
Goose chase trying to find this lookout. It promised views of lower and upper falls and middle falls. We just walked all the way like in the wrong direction, come all the way back again, sat and had lunch, and then said we want to find it, so we walked all the way back again. Then we gave up and walked down here, and we just found this little path that comes off, and we finally found it. Hallelujah.
It turned pretty personal between me and this lookout, but I'm glad we made it. But I'm not sure about this railing. And this is the drop down. Look how wobbly it is. Oh no! What do you think? Wobbly wobbly. Join us at a tense time in this walk. Where's the path gone? Oh no!
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall in. No. It's a little bit unnerving when these boulders are here and they're like way bigger than I am. Hopefully none fall while we're here. We just stood and waited for a bus for about 45 minutes and it didn't come, so we decided to bail and we walked back instead, and it said it'd take about an hour. Well, the bus was stuck in traffic and we just walked past it, and our car's over there. So we're pretty stoked right now. We just walked faster than the bus. Woohoo! Yes! We win! You can't even comprehend how happy we are right now. We're actually in front of the bus, in the car. Stuck in traffic too, but it's good. It's been a good day.
Still counts.
Absolutely exhausted. I'm gonna sleep for days tomorrow. Let's see what time we get back. But yeah, we'll catch you tomorrow. See what we do. I don't think we're gonna come back here tomorrow because we're too tired. We'll probably have a day off and then come the next day. But yeah, catch you then. Good morning. Today we're going to go on the Mist Trail. It's about a 5 to 6 hour hike. It's pretty cold this morning, but not as bad as it has been. But today we're pretty well dressed, aren't we?
Yeah, we're doing
We've
alright.
both got hats on, so hopefully we'll be alright. So we're here and we're going to go all the way to here and then keep going Woo, and get to here. It recommends 3 litres of water each. We've got 1 each, so we'll see how we go. I always make this mistake when I'm hiking and I put 100 layers on. As soon as we set off, I just get way too hot and have to take them all off. And then I just end up with a turtle bag full of clothes. So steep.
Creative imagination began with a new art form.
So I'm really trying hard to make these squirrels my friend, but it's not working very much. They keep coming towards my hand, but then I'm scared they're going to bite me, so I move my hand away again. This is us back in the car, obviously. It's absolutely throwing it down outside, so we didn't do the entire of that trail that we were on, but we did as much as we wanted to, so that was really good. We're just leaving the park now because of the weather. Like, we've done everything we wanted to do anyway. Don't think there's anything else like to take pictures of or anything, so we'll just head back to the hostel, have a nice afternoon, and that might be all from us from here. So we might see you again, and if not, we'll see you in San Fran.
And just in the kitchen trying to gather all of our food together, and we've got a long drive down to San Francisco today, and checking into our last hostel before we go home. It's going to be weird.